Is your Samsung Galaxy A57 frozen or completely unresponsive? Don't worry, this quick tutorial will show you how to force restart your phone safely. It only takes a few seconds and won't erase any of your important data. First, hold your Samsung Galaxy A57 in your hand and locate the power side button and the volume down button. Both buttons are positioned on the right side of the phone, making them easy to press at the same time. Now press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons together. If the power menu appears on the screen, don't release the buttons. Continue holding them firmly. Keep pressing both buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds. After a few moments, the display will go completely black. This is a normal part of the force restart process and indicates that the phone is shutting down and preparing to reboot. As soon as the screen turns black, release both buttons immediately. Your Samsung Galaxy A57 will automatically restart, and within a few seconds, you'll see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. Wait patiently while the phone finishes booting up. That's all it takes to force restart your Samsung Galaxy A57. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching today.